Janara and children, hope you all are fit and fine and hope you all are following SMS too. SMS means S means social distancing, M means mask and S means soap. So children, this video is the second part of mangoes round the year. To increase the life of mango so that we can have it all round the year, we have a story. Summer treat Mamidi Tandra. Mamidi Tandra means aam papad. This picture is of aam papad which is available in the market. But in this story, we will learn recipe of aam papad. By using some method of preservation, we are going to learn how to make it through story. So let's start. There were two kids, Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu. They used to live in Attaryapuram. It's a name of a town which is in Andhra Pradesh. Both the brothers spent the summer holidays playing in the mango garden. When the trees are full of fruits, they also like to eat unripe mangoes with the salt and sugar powder. At home, their mother uses in different ways. She also makes many kinds of pickles. As I told you, we can make pickles to use last through the years. In the evening, while having food, Chinna Babu asked to Amma, "We have so many mangoes, make some Mamidi Tandra from them." Their father said, "Making a Mamidi Tandra, we need 4 weeks of hard work. So, if you both promise to help us every day, for next 4 weeks, we can make the Mamidi Tandra. Okay?" Both brothers quickly agreed to help. The next day, both the children went to the market and purchased mat made of the palm leaves, string of coconut husk, sugar, jaggery and casuarina poles. Casuarina is a name of a tree. By using mats and casuarina poles, they made a platform. Next, took out the mango juice from the ripe mango. Do you know why Appa first chose the most ripe mangoes? Because the ripe mangoes contain more juice with less fiber. Then they filtered through a muslin cloth. Muslin cloth is a fine cloth to remove all the fiber. Later, they poured the thin layer of juice on mat by spreading it all over and left it to dry. It was later covered with a sari to prevent it from dust. So every day they kept on adding layer to it. After 4 weeks, a thick layer of a golden cake of Mamidi Tandra was prepared. The next day, the mat was brought down from a platform. Mamidi Tandra was cut into a smaller pieces. The brothers tasted it. It was tasty. Chinna Babu said, "Wow, how tasty! After all, we have also helped in making it." So children, after listening this story, you must have understood 2 methods of preservations. First one was drying and second was sugaring. Yes, sugar and jaggery were mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun because sugar and jaggery works as a preservatives. Children, next way of keeping our food fresh for a long time is use preservatives to preserve it. Now, what is food preservation? Food preservation is the name for a number of processes that help to preserve food. This means that the food treated that way will go bad, spoil from bacteria later that if it had not been treated that way. For thousands of the years, humans have used method of the preserving food so that they can store food to eat later. Children, this is your assignment or activity. Do a research. Check all packaged food in your home and check preservatives in it. Take a photo of any one item and send it in WhatsApp group. Okay? Children, this is an example of your activity. And here we end our chapter. Hope you like and understand it. Thank you and Janara and everyone.